Hey guys, welcome to the channel Wiseman. So today we are going to see that how can you fix this black screen in OBS. It's very simple. As you can see, if I edit display capture, it's showing display but the black screen is coming. How to fix this? It's very easy. What you need to do, minimize this, and if you right click here, go to NVIDIA control panel setting. So if you go to NVIDIA control panel setting, here you go to program setting. So what happens, we are going to select this OBS program. As you can see here, scroll it and find the OBS software. Here the preference, go to integrated graphics. So we are going to use the integrated graphics, we are not going to use some. So here we are going to use integrated graphics, and after selecting that, for this OBS, click on apply. So if you click on apply, it's applied for this particular program. And now if you delete this display capture and if you add a display capture, it is not showing. So now you need to restart your OBS, close it, and it restarts the OBS, and you can see the display capture is now showing all this in your screen. So now you can record all your screen like this, and you can get rid of this black screen. So that's a very easy method. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe Wiseman. Thank you.